We all want to support our children with their brain development. Of course we do. As parents, we want the best for them. And there are a number of ways we can do this. When children experience play, have chance to explore the world, there's lots of repetition and communication, we can help them develop their brain pathways. We also know that regular touch is related to stronger neuronal connections and greater well-being overall. So do try to have as many cuddles as you can. When children experience responsive and loving care, a range of biochemicals are actually released, and this allows the brain to better incorporate, recall, and use new information. So it's fascinating how our touch, our care, our love actually leads to better brain development. So what can you do to support your baby's brain development? There's a lovely model by Kate Cairns which just outlines 5 areas that help us offer support to children to build healthier brains. So the first thing is we need to schedule in time to relax. Not always easy in the current society with demands being chucked on us left, right and centre, but actually we know that children develop best when they have this downtime and they have an adult to have this downtime alongside them. So this helps them relax into moments of connection and safety, so key for children's brains to feel regulated, supported and safe. We also need to provide children with responsive care. So Kate Cairns' model starts with relax and the second area is respond. So children need you to show them love, to show them that they're safe through reading and responding to the signals that they're showing you. And then of course, as I've talked about already, cuddle. Because when we are close to your child, your bodies work in tune together. Connections are built in the brain that helps children start to learn and control their own bodies. The next in Kate Cairns' 5 to Thrive model is play. The best toy your child has is you. Playing together is so important for children, and I'll talk about this in another reel about attachment-focused play and how important it is, not just in terms of joy and connection, but actually in terms of the nervous system development. The final area of Kate Cairns' model is talk. The more you can talk with your child, the more they start to make sounds into words. So Kate Cairns' model talks about relaxing, cuddling, responding, talking and playing, really important. So what we know is for brains to develop best, children need to be offered relationships where they feel safe, nurtured, understood and loved. Because this in itself fosters the development of connections within the lower brain, and only then can we tend to the higher parts of the brain through challenging and engaging with our children. If you'd like to find out more about this, I would really recommend Dr. Tina Payne-Bryson and Dr. Dan Siegel's Whole Brain Child, a fantastic book, as well as having a look at Harvard Center for Development, as this gives some great information on early brain development, a lot of it in video form.